makers, welcome back to Rematriate. I'm doing a little clip today that I will probably post as a raw and unedited clip, but that I will also probably include in a later video that I'm going to make because we are upgrading the SplashPad. This is the bucket tipper that PapaBear built last year, and it was phenomenally successful. But because it was raw wood, we knew we had to paint it. We always planned to paint it. So he started with the gray primer color, and he's on top of that, because it's dry now, we are using a Rust-Oleum product. I hope you can see that. In gloss, because we want the highest level of protection, and the color is called Seaside. We're really fond of this sort of family of colors. You may have seen on the side of our little barn here next to the pool down below that we have a palette painted very similar color attached to the wall of the barn where all of the pool noodles and cleaning implements and various and assorted pool accessories live for storage so they don't get blown away. So we have now started laying down the base coat, and I am also going to be decorating this. The bucket on the top, which if you've seen the video from last year, Do-It-Yourself SplashPad for family fun, has basically rainbow colors on it. So I'm going to put some rainbows around the top to sort of tie it all together. And PapaBear wants vines and flowers, and I might do some water. I'm going to get creative and paint it up. So keep your eyes open for that next little raw and unedited clip. And then eventually I will be turning it all into a proper video, because once I've got something figured out so I can edit videos, I'm going to take all of these clips and I'm going to finish the videos that I'm halfway through editing right now. So keep your eyes open for that, because as soon as I can figure out a way to do that, I'm going to do that. But in the meantime, you get me raw and unedited. And while we're dealing with this, always remember that I love you.